Hey everyone, today I will be guiding you on how to make the most of YouTube ads. Now, we are going to walk you through the diverse ad formats available on YouTube. While many folks associate YouTube ads with those skippable video ads, there is a rich tapestry of ad types to explore. Let us dive in and discover which format suits your marketing goals best. First on our list, we have overlay ads. These eye-catching banner ads appear on top of native, organic YouTube videos. If you have been browsing YouTube, you have likely encountered them. They are an excellent way to grab viewers' attention. Now, let us dive into bumper ads. These concise, impactful ads grab your audience's attention in under 6 seconds, making them the elevator pitch of YouTube advertising. Non-skippable video ads interrupt your YouTube video for 15 to 20 seconds, ensuring your message reaches a captive audience. In-feed ads. Once discovery ads blend seamlessly into the YouTube experience, appearing in top search results, the homepage, or the right-hand column's suggested bar. To recap our YouTube ad format journey, we began with overlay ads for unmissable banners. Then, bumper ads for quick impact, followed by non-skippable video ads as the main event. Lastly, in-feed ads offer subtle effectiveness in strategic placements. Remember, your choice of ad format should align with your marketing goals, target audience, and budget. Each format has its unique strengths, so choose wisely to maximize your advertising success. Finally, we arrive at the ad format most synonymous with YouTube: skippable video ads. These ads pop up in the middle or sometimes at the beginning of videos. They play for 5 seconds without a skip button. And after that, the skip button appears, allowing viewers to choose whether to continue watching. These ads are the cornerstone of YouTube advertising. We recommend becoming a master of skippable video ads before exploring the other formats, as they often yield the most profit on YouTube. Now, a quick side note. YouTube also introduced a relatively new feature called YouTube Short Ads. These are the ads that pop up while you are scrolling through YouTube Shorts on your mobile. We won't cover them in this video, but if you are curious about YouTube Short Ads, check out the video I have linked right here. Now, that you have grasped the diversity of ad formats on YouTube, let us discuss an essential aspect: understanding how you'll be charged for YouTube ad campaigns. YouTube ads operates on a pay-per-view or PPV or cost-per-view or CPV basis. With skippable video ads, for instance, you pay when a viewer watches for at least 30 seconds or the entire ad. Whichever comes first, it is important to consider your budget and objectives when choosing the right ad format and payment model for your campaign. That is a wrap for today's overview of YouTube ad formats and their charging methods. In our next video, we will delve deeper into the pricing structure, helping you make informed decisions for your YouTube ad campaigns. That's it for today. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video, where I will introduce how to master YouTube ad bidding, a comprehensive guide. Thank you for watching, and I will see you until the next one.